Hello guys, welcome back. This is KH's for After Effects tutorial channel. Now working with VC Orbs plugins, Video Copilot Orbs plugins. How to create a planet cinematic scene in After Effects. So create a new composition right here, VC Orbs, press enter. Don't forget select the 5-second duration, and now Ctrl Y, create another new planet. Press enter, go to effects, Video Copilot, select the VC orb. Okay, create a sun, create a light right here, sun light. Press OK. Select the sun and move it Z-axis far and go up, move it left. Great. Go to project, double click, import the Venus, import here, and select the new planet, disable the texture, and go to effects, control, go to maps, select Venus surface, Venus surface, Venus surface, and Venus surface. Looking good. Okay, and now close your layer and control the light. Which light is looking good? Little bit dark. So create another new solid to create the background, Milky Way stars. Right here, horizon, press enter and go to effects, trap code, horizon. Go to project, double click, import the 8K Milky Way stars. Disable the texture, select the horizon and go to effect control, image map, select the layer, 8K stars Milky Way. Right click, create a new camera, 28mm, press OK. Move the horizon down of the layers like this, and now right click, create another new solid right here, earth map. Press enter, go to effects, Video Copilot, VC orbs. Okay, and now select the earth map and go to project, double click, import the earth map and move it down, disable the texture and select the earth map. Go to effect control, go to maps, select earth map, day map, and earth map, day map. Good. Okay, select the atmosphere, create a new atmosphere, blue light, and go to illumination options, Fresnel, bias, turn off the shadow light. There is the control. There's a little bit atmosphere looking blue colors. Need more control from there. Fresnel bias from here and rotate the earth map like this. Looking good. Okay, and now control from the other side like this, control from here little bit like this, and move the earth planet, change the radius little bit down, and select move here. Good. Select the Earth map, rotate, and need more darker this side. Looking good. Okay, close this one, select the new planet, little bit huge, and create new solid right here, sun lens. Press enter and go to effects and select universe stylized no light factory. Choose a flare, select the sunlight effect, sunset, looking good, and turn on the mode and select the add the new planet. Okay, and now select the new planet, change the free now little bit dark and shadow lights little bit dark. And now let's animate this scene. Select the camera, everything is 3D. Everything is looking 3D. So now select the sun lens and move the sun lens here. Stopwatch, go to second 2, move here and select the horizon, right click, create another new null objects, camera control, press enter, link the camera parent web tool, camera control, and turn on the 3D, press R rotation. There is the camera control, stopwatch, go to second 2 and change to 0. Good. Select the new planet, press shift, zoom out, stopwatch, this one, go to second 2, change it to 0, play. Oh shit. Stopwatch the position, go to here and change to 0, play now. And need rotation, go to rotation Y, go to 5 seconds, change to 1, play now. Good. And now time to animate the Earth. Stopwatch all these parameters and change to 0. Little bit later and go to end, select the Earth map, change to play now. Okay, I need to rotate like this. Play. Stopwatch again, go to 5 seconds, play. Good. Ctrl A, turn on the motion blur effect and select the Earth map, turn off the radius, down the Earth size and move here and select the new planet, need little bit darker, darker and darker. Select the light, move z-axis, move here and up. Good. Okay, create a new title right here. Huge planet or new planet. Change the title this one is good. Right click, create a new solid right here. What saber light. Press enter and go to effects, video copilot, saber light. Go to customize core, select the text layer, and there is the new planet. Is there any title? New planet 2. Select and change the size and select energy, down the intensity, or select the fire, or let's select the fractal. Which one is looking good? Electric. Select the default. Press F4, select add, turn off the title and press S for change scale down, or turn on the title, select down, move here, down, turn off the title, select the saber light and change the title from here. Let's animate the titles. Select start size, start offset, stopwatch, start offset, change to 0. Play now. Turn on the flicker. Play. Looking good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was working with VC orbs, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.